Hi everyone, my name is Rodeline and I am your health benefit consultant. Alright, here in MaxiCare. Now, we discover yung MaxiCare Prepaid. So these are the healthcare products na meron tayo. So there are three health prepaid card. The first one is yung tatawag nating eReady. The second one is yung eReady Advance, and the last one is Prima Prepaid. I will discuss every detail and features and differences nila ha. Now, ito po ang itsura nila. The eReady cards is this one. eReady Advance this is yung itsura niya. The next one is yung tinatawag nating MaxiCare Silver and Gold na Prima. Now, we proceed. What is prepaid card? Ang prepaid card po kasi, this is a one-time use only. It has a validity of 12 months or yung 1 year. Non-transferable, meaning to say, isang individual, isang card lang po. And the most important, this is affordable. Is the meaning of yung ER natin is from the word emergency. The emergency is any life-threatening or yung unexpected na bigla ang pangyayari na kailangan ng EER yung person or yung patients. So this is immediately first aid within the 24 hours po. So these are examples of emergency. First is yung uncontrolling bleeding, nahihirapang huminga, hinimatay, seizure, severe pain, heart attack, stroke, and even the first shots of animal bite para sa kagat ng aso at pusa. Now, we focus to the first prepaid card natin, yung tinatawag nating E-Ready or ER-Ready. There are two cards na meron tayo sa E-Ready. Yung tinatawag nating titanium and then platinum. Ano bang pinagkaiba nila? The only thing na pinagkaiba nila, sa titanium po kasi excluding yung 6 major hospital. Ito po yun, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are the 6 major hospital na ini-exclude sa titanium. However, in platinum, pasok po siya. So, same as parehas na titanium and platinum are covered for 25,000 one-time coverage only for a illness or injuries. And this is medical related lang po pag na emergency ha, emergency lang po. Now, there are some questions regarding on, halimbawa ma'am, na umabot lang po yung ER namin na 20,000. Is it refundable po yung 5,000? Ma'am, hindi po siya refundable. Meaning to say, kung saan po umabot yung coverage, it is on focus lang po sa 25. Pag bumaba po ng 25 ang cost ng ER po ninyo, hindi naman po siya na refundable. And to exchange, how much would it be ba nung nagbayad po kayo ng 1.3 sa na-cover po kayo ng 20,000 no po? So, that's a great help na po. So, what are the benefits and coverage? So, the first one, for the emergency, included po ito ha, doctor's fee or yung fee treatment po ni doctor, emergency rooms, medicines that you will need to take while you're in the emergency room, oxygen, IV fluids, whole blood, chem, and body blood products, dressing, if there will be pagkabale or needed the first aid cast, meron din po tayo, and yung tinatawag nating tatahiin, may kailangan tahiin. Ayan, x-ray laboratories and diagnostic examination, pasok na po yun sa 25,000. Who are eligible for this plan? So, 15 days old na baby and 65 up. 65 rather lang po na years old. 15 days up to 65 years old lang. This is again one-time payment and one-time availment of card. Can be repurchased after 15 days of availment of the first registered card. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Like for example, again, the plan is for 1 year validity or 12 months. Now, Si patient po ay na hospital, ER. Okay po, ER hospital. Nasa kanya pa lang po yung card ng 3 months. So, ibig po sabihin, nakamit niya po yun sa ER needs or emergency need. Now, hindi na po niya makukontinue yun hanggang para tapusin yung 12 months. Kasi po, nagamit niya na yung card. Ang gagawin na po niya is after 15 days, pwede na po siyang mag-buy again ng another prepaid card. Kung gusto niya rin po pa rin yung e-ready or iba na po nating prepaid card. And again, meron tayong lookout period po. So once it is activated, automatic po, meron tayong 15 days from the date of registration or activation, tsaka nyo lang po magagamit ng mga cards. Okay? So pasok din po dito yung mga existing conditions na may mga sakit na po, care of pa rin po siya. Alright? And again, 1-year validity period pa rin po din siya. If hindi naman po magagamit within the year for the ER, meron pa po tayong added features dyan. So we have a still teleconsultation service. Meaning to say, hindi po waste ang 1.3 or 1.5 po ninyo dahil you can accommodate our 24/7 teleconsult service. Pwede po kayong magpakonsulta via our teleconsult way. Alright? This is coverage of 15,000 to be used. And meron din po siyang 15% discount in all health clinics natin. So this is a 1-year again validity for enjoying the 15% discount. Now, 10% discount naman po in all the basic dental service in Metro Dental Clinics. So as long as you have a validity pa rin po, the 1-year validity, pwede nyo po ma-enjoy yan. And the good thing of this is that meron tayong tinatawag na group life insurance or in accident death. So kapag nalawala si patient through accident, may matatanggap pa rin pong cash assistance from MaxiCare. This is worth of 50,000 and it could be up for 100,000 as long as again the card is within the validity of period. Now, pwede pa rin bang magpunta si client using the e-ready, titanium and platinum? Yes. There are limitations nga lang po regarding on that. So, meron po kayong pwedeng i-consult for the following: family medicine, internal medicine, general physician, and pediatrician. So, these are mga consultations na pwede nyo pong ma-enjoy using our card going to our consultation MaxiCare PCCs. And yung PCCs natin nasa baba po sa comment section or sa description section para makita nyo po kung ano po yung mga location na available nearest to you. Primary care clinics, meron tayo sa Double Dragon, Alabang, Double City Center, Bridgetown, Eaton Centris, Fairview, Ayala, VV Sullivan, Clark, Laguna, Baguio, Iloilo, Cebu, Skyrise, Bacolod, Davao, Cagayan, Imus yung pinakabago natin. And list of new additional procedures in some MaxiCare PCCs available. So kapag kailangan ng 2D echo, meron po tayo sa BGC, Bridgetown, Cebu, Clark, Centers, Alabang, Iloilo, Double Dragon. Kapag kailangan naman po ng treadmill stress test, we can avail that for the Bridgetown, Ayala, North Exchange, Cebu branches. Contact numbers for our 24/7 teleconsult services at andito na po yung mga locations areas. Alright? So the good thing of teleconsult kasi po is convenience. No need for you to leave the comfort area. Kung nasa bahay ka, nasa office, or nagbabakasyon ka, you may have a teleconsult. Makapagpakonsulta ka kaagad. Alright? Reliability, ang MaxiCare affiliated physicians natin ay magagaling po talaga. And the savings of the time of efficiency nila is ma-accommodate kayo kaagad. Magkano pa lang ang pagpakonsulta? Nasa 1,500 to 1,000 din. MaxiCare Customer Care Hotline. These are the hotlines that you may use if you are now a MaxiCare member. Alright? So if you have a questions and you want to avail a card, don't forget to call me in my, eto po, yung ating susunod na screen. And then, if you want to ask something, go to our page. Ito po yung page namin. Again, this is Rodeline Javier Texon, your MaxiCare Health Benefit Consultant.